On today's video, we're knocking out the spicy redneck ribeye steak sandwich. You like I said it like that? Sandwich.
You said it epic.
This is like what the men eat right here. Sandwich.
Can't get this a Subway.
All joking aside, this is a sandwich that I like to make if, you know, you go out to this fancy steakhouse or something, your wife doesn't eat all of her steak, she's probably not gonna eat it. This is a great sandwich to make the next day, or heck, even today. That's why we're starting with a raw one. Bone-in ribeye at that. You're welcome. All right, so what we got going on here is we got a bone-in ribeye steak, this choice. We got some mushrooms, some onions, some jalapenos. We got a little bit of spring mix. Pull one out for the doctor. You can't say I didn't have my salad today then, so. We're gonna take this ribeye out, grill it indirect. Once it hits about 100, 105 degrees, we're gonna cook it direct, straight over the fire. Get that nice crust on there, pull it at 127, wrap it up, toast some bread, all while simultaneously grilling some mushrooms, onions, and jalapenos. You with me? You want to stick around for this one, because this one is no joke. And I'm even going to make a horseradish sauce to tie all this together. So without further ado, let's get to cooking. Hey, and don't worry about following this recipe with me. It's all gonna be down below. Go down there, print it out, exact amount in the description below. And for this one, Dirty Bird Hot and Texas beef. Pow, sucker. That's too much seasoning. But Kosmo, you're not supposed to use that much seasoning. Hey, stop it with that already. Hey, you use what you like to use. This is how I like to do it. If you're a salt and pepper dude, you use salt and pepper. Other than that, zip it. I don't want to hear it. So we got our grill fired up. We're gonna cook it indirect, sear it, get the shrooms and the onions and the peppers going. So get ready for this. Roll the footage, Wes. So it turns out toasting bread on a Weber is more of a sport than a technique, because it took about 2 milliseconds to get these suckers done. right, everybody, now go down below in the comments and hit me up how overcooked this is. I'm just kidding. It ain't overcooked. That's cooked perfectly right. So quit crybabying down there about you overcook it. What do you want to eat it raw? Now that right there is a little bit of that horseradish cream sauce from our prime rib video. Now this is the first time we've actually put lettuce on a sandwich and not a burger. And I kind of feel like I let a few of you down. All right, so now it's time to pile that steak on, boy. Get it on there. All right, now when you're building your sandwich, it's important that you have a plan. And clearly you can tell I have no plan. I'm just throwing it together. Man, this thing turned out freaking phenomenal. I wish you could smell it, man. I actually snuck a little bite of that steak when you guys weren't looking, and yeah, freaking nailed it. Go home, cook this thing. Like I said, everything's down below. Hey, and if you're a fan of steak, how about you click on that video and I'll catch you over there. Peace. Oh, man.